General Finishes Enduro RTM stain matching system is the highest quality, most efficient water-based stain color matching system on the market. Professionals or retail stores can match any color on site in minutes using 12 standard stain bases and save money by reducing inventory. Let's take a look. There are 3 parts in this system: 12 stain bases plus a clear, a chip box with more than 100 plus custom colored chips labeled with formulas, plus the base colors. Chips are available in sets of oak and maple or alder and maple. A formula book in print and digital format to calculate any quantity of stain you need to mix using ounces by weight or volume. There are optional mixing lids with easy pour spouts. For volume users, there are mixing stations available. To match a stain, choose a color from the box that closely matches the color you want to achieve. For this maple door, I've chosen chip number 13 as the best match. You can see on this maple, it's a really nice close match. Each chip is labeled with a formula. Let's make a sample. Start by using a small measurement scoop. I'm using a 1 ounce coffee scoop here. And this formula calls for 1 part burnt umber. Set that there. 1 part black. And 1 part red. Okay, I'm just going to mix it well. And just use a foam brush and just apply a nice even wet coat. This is a piece of maple plywood to match the door. Okay, set that aside. I'm just going to use a clean absorbent paper towel to wipe off the excess. There. Just come back and even it out. Now when the stain's wet, it's going to show a little bit of unevenness until everything penetrates in. By the time it dries, it'll even all out. So there. And that's the color. While still wet, make sure the color matches. Once the stain dries, the color will lighten. Applying the top coat will develop the final color. If you're happy with your color match, then go to the formula book to calculate the amount you need to mix for your project. In an average kitchen, it takes about 2 gallons of stain to finish the job. You can modify the formulas to fine-tune the color match. Pick out the closest color as a starting point and adjust the parts until you get a match. Once you finalize the formula, save it for future reference to the RTM stain calculator in the Excel spreadsheet included on the USB drive. RTM stains can be applied by brush or spray. And once dry, they can be sealed with any of the GF interior rated finishes. It's that simple. This is the fastest, easiest, low-cost color matching system on the market. General Finishes is dedicated to using the highest quality ingredients in all our products while testing and advancing our water-based finishes with leading-edge technology. Learn more about the Enduro RTM stain matching system at generalfinishes.com/RTM. General Finishes. We make tomorrow's finishes today.